Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, February 14th. I'm Elton Ushio, Administrator of the Kauai Emergency Management Agency. Our daily case count continued declining over the past week, which we hope is good news for the weeks to come. Sadly, we also announced 5 fatalities last week. We lost 4 male kupuna Kauai residents due to COVID-19, one in his 90s, one in his 80s, and 2 in their 70s. We also announced the death of a female visitor in her 60s. There are now a total of 24 COVID fatalities on Kauai since the beginning of the pandemic, including 5 just last week. This is a harsh reminder that we need to continue to take this virus seriously for the most vulnerable members of our community. Our hearts go out to the family and friends of these individuals. Their loved ones are in our prayers and have our deepest condolences. Our case count continues trending in the right direction. For the latest, we turn to Kauai Deputy District Health Officer Lauren Guest.
Thanks, Elton. Our 7-day average daily case count is now down below 67 cases a day. That's less than half of what the case count was just 2 weeks ago. However, our per population case rates and test positivity rate are still the highest in the state. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is announcing 40 new cases of COVID-19. Today's cases bring the number of active cases to 195, with 9 hospitalized, and 11,548 cumulative cases. Mahalo to everyone who came in to get tested or used your home test kits to help us slow the spread of the virus. Our testing centers are no longer reaching capacity, so you can walk in anytime they're open and get a free test. No need to line up early. The Convention Hall Testing Center is open weekdays from 8 to 3:30. It will be closed next Monday for the President's Day holiday. Our free mobile testing van is open Wednesdays in Keikaha, Thursdays in Kilauea, Fridays in Kalaheo, Saturdays in Hanalei, and Sundays in Kapa'a from 9 to 1 each day. You will get your results the same day and no appointments are needed. Free drive-up testing is also available through Lihue Pharmacy by appointment by visiting alohaclear.com. For a full list of testing locations, visit kauai.gov/COVID-test. Parents will have to wait a little longer to get their children under 5 years old a vaccine. Pfizer announced last week they are delaying the request for FDA review until April to gather more data on the effectiveness of a 3rd dose of vaccine for this age group. We will keep you updated as this moves forward. Vaccines are currently approved for everyone ages 5 and up. Getting vaccinated is still the best way to protect your family from severe illness, hospitalization, and death. For a full list of locations where you can get vaccinated or boosted, visit kauai.gov/vaccine.
Thanks, Lauren. Ho'ola Lahui is holding a pop-up vaccine clinic this Saturday morning, February 19th, at the Kanui Kapono Public Charter School. It's open to everyone ages 5 and older for walk-in vaccines from 9 to 11 a.m. Minors must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. For children and adults aged 12 and older, the mobile hospital vaccine van will be open to walk-ins this Thursday afternoon, February 17th, at the Kapa'a Neighborhood Center from 1 to 5 p.m. For a full list of locations where you can get a vaccine or a booster, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Governor David Ige announced last week that he is keeping safe travels rules unchanged at this time. That means booster shots will not be added as an additional requirement for up-to-date vaccination status to travel from the mainland to Hawaii. You still just need to have completed the initial doses and uploaded your record. Read the specific guidelines at hawaiicovid19.com/travel. While booster shots are not required for safe travels, health officials continue to recommend a 3rd shot of Pfizer or Moderna to prevent severe illness from COVID-19. The governor has also announced he is keeping the indoor mask mandate in place at this time. If you need help with your rent or mortgage due to the pandemic, support is available. The County of Kauai's Coronavirus Rental and Utility Assistance Program has issued or approved over $16.5 million in payments to 1,556 households on this island. If you need help with rent, online applications are still being accepted. Visit KauaiRentHelp.com to apply. Eligible applicants may receive up to $4,500 per month for rent, with no monthly cap on qualifying utilities. If you have a mortgage, you can apply for Kauai's Mortgage Assistance Program through Hawaii Community Lending. It launched on November 15th, and just under 60 applications have been received to date. To apply for a grant under this program, visit hawaiicommunity.net and click on Homeowner Assistance Fund. Kauai homeowners can also join our online workshop series, Know Your Options to Prevent Foreclosure. The 1-hour-long workshop helps homeowners to learn their options and provides free housing counseling. To register for a workshop, call 808-587-7656. For more information, visit hawaiicommunitylending.com. Next Monday is the President's Day holiday, and County of Kauai offices will be closed. Closures also include all neighborhood centers, the Convention Hall Testing Center, all refuge transfer stations, the Kekaha Landfill, Puhi Metals Recycling Center, and all High 5 Recycling Redemption Center locations. In addition, the Waimea and Kapa'a swimming pools will observe the holiday on February 22nd, since the pools are normally closed on Mondays. The schedule for a residential refuse pickup will remain unchanged. The Kauai bus will operate on its regular daily schedule. County offices and services will reopen on Tuesday, February 22nd. Mahalo, Kauai.